To help you feel better after the breakup, it is always better to put things in writing. To start a breakup diary is simple. Prepare a notebook and a pen. However, the choice of how to make it personal is up to you. A breakup diary can come in many forms, either being a journal, scrapbook, or a memoir. Choose the best that can help you to survive your breakup. When you write in bad or stressful moments, you will usually end up feeling better. Writing out what you most probably would keep to yourself will help you to vent out your anger, grievance, unhappiness, etc. You will gain more control of your life. At night before sleeping, write down what had happened in the day or any events in your life. This enables you to reflect back on what you have done, and allows you to correct your mistakes if you have any. It clears your mind. You put creativity in writing about your life events, such as word choice, the format, poems, dialogue, plain text, etc. Or you could use drawings rather than writing. These actions allow your thoughts to be on creative ideas, rather than putting yourself in pain and stress. It improves your mental health. Write about your stressful moments or emotional events. Therefore, having a breakup diary would help in healing and recovery from a bad breakup. You should consider the daily entries to be included in your breakup diary format. Try to develop a habit of writing daily. However, it is okay if you miss out any day, just move on with your current day's events. Do remember to keep this diary personal and private, so that you can release your thoughts freely. Gaining strength with friends and family. Wherever you are, your friends and family are the ones who will be available for you at all times. Never forget that your friends and family members are the most important people in your life, even with or without a life partner. These are some of the reasons on why you can gain strength from them, particularly after breakups. They are there for you. Your family members are the ones who are concerned about you the most. Your close friends would support you for your decisions. These people are the ones who surround you most of the time, and understand you the most. You will get the best advice. Your family and friends give you practical and reasonable advice, because they know you best, your personality and character. They know what is best for you to hear and thus attempt to give advice. They will try their best to help you to get out of bad relationships. They will never fail you. When you are upset, family and friends may take you away for a break or just to enjoy and have fun. When you have no idea where to release your thoughts, your best pal will prompt you to speak of your mind. They may help sort out problems with you. Even if you want reconciliation with your ex, they will give advice on whether is it worth a try. When you find it hard to bear the heartbreak, your family and friends will stay connected to you to make sure you will be all right, or maybe help you by trying to fix you up with a better future partner. They are good listeners. Never neglect this fact. Your family and friends are the ones who are willing to hear from you and genuinely feel sorry for you and help you as best as they can. Again, this is Self-Enhancement, a practical self-help channel. If you find this video valuable for you, please smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.